Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is a fun skincare review with a new high-tech product. It is the Deminuage skincare. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Correct me if I'm wrong. Their Nano Pen Prime. So I'm just going to read from their website an explanation of what a nano pen is and does to help educate us both, because I am kind of clueless as to what a nano pen does. But it basically says it uses a nano chip powered by a grid of microscopic nanotips that are almost invisible to the naked eye. Made from microcrystalline silicone, each nanotip has a nanometer grade tip to ensure safe and painless delivery, and a micrometer grade body to ensure mechanical strength. When the nanotips are applied directly to the skin, they temporarily create microscale channels in the outer layer of the skin to help transport active ingredients into the deeper layers. Overcoming the skin barrier allows for 10 to 20 times better absorption of these ingredients. Because these nanotips reach the outer layer without affecting the dermis, there is no pain, bleeding, or discomfort. The microscale channels close within 20 minutes of use to ensure both efficacy and safety. So that's pretty much what a nano pen is. It just gets skincare into the deep layers of your skin instead of the surface. So let's go ahead and unbox everything they sent me. I'm so excited. Okay, so it says, "Hello beautiful, it's your time to shine." Super cute box and packaging. Then in this velvet case, they have a battery. Thank goodness they have a battery. And then the pen. And then there are 2 boxes of the 5x daily nano chips. And then 1 box of the 5x booster nano chips. And then there is also a blank brightening serum box. And then a box, if I can get it out, a box of soothing and rejuvenating repair masks. So that's a pretty awesome box. Let's really quickly look at like the value of all of these products. So again, just reading from their website, the pen itself, device only, is $69.99, which if it actually works, that's not that bad. Like, I've seen much more expensive skincare tools. The 5-pack of the daily ones is $14.99 each. The 5-pack of the booster is $19.99 each. I see the masks, so the masks are $19.99, but where's the blank brightening serum? Unless I'm blind. Okay, so there's a thing with a 1-month supply of everything, including the daily ones and the brightening serum and the booster ones for $129, but I don't see the brightening serum on its own unless I'm blind. So yeah, I would consider this for like skincare high-tech tools to be like mid-range prices, in my opinion. Not too bad, but this is the true test of whether or not it's going to be worth it. We're going to try it on my 32-year-old lady skin. First of all, I would like to just take a before quick little video to show you my skin up close. Okay, so we've got the before taken, and again, if I didn't insert the before I just took with my cell phone, this is what we're starting with before. I have nothing on my skin. I've got forehead lines, like lines galore. I'm in my 30s. I've got scarring from acne. I've got breakouts down here. I have dark circles. Like, I've got stuff to work on. So we're gonna see what this does. So the company is actually very helpful in that they published an entire user guide to walk you through step by step how to do this. So first step is take this end off and install the battery. So let's do that. I'm sorry, I don't know what's happening. If you can hear that like noise, something's happening in the neighborhood and I don't know what. Which way does it go? Plus goes this way. Okay, so put that back on. Begin with freshly washed skin. My skin is clean. And then you want to choose your daily or your booster nano chip. I think I want to choose the booster nano chip. And if it helps, I'll like take screenshots and post the instructions next to me so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Oh my god, it's so little and cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we gotta open that. Let me get something sharp because I'm special and I can't just open things. Okay, so you take this and you screw it in the tip. Okay. And then the serum. So I guess that would be this, the blank brightening serum. Let's open that without stabbing myself. So open serum, place rubber head over bottle. Oh, so you apply the serum and then do the nano pen? Okay, what is this little screw part for though? Okay, I'm confused. Okay, so the serums come in this little pack and they have these like rubbery screw things on top. So open serum, place rubber head over bottle. They have pictures and everything and I'm like still too blonde for this. Okay. Oh, okay, it just snaps right open. Okay, if I can break it. And then you place this on there. Place the rubber head. Do you like get it all the way down? Or what? Okay, and then you just do what? You apply the serum. I don't get this. I'm just gonna do I dot? Do I rub? The instructions are not clear. This is a weird application method. I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay, I've only used half of it. That's a lot of serum for my one little face. That's a lot. I don't need that much. But I guess we will try and cover my face in that much because we're gonna get it to the deeper layers, right? I don't get this little applicator thing. I don't get it. If I'm doing something wrong, like, please correct me. I'm trying my hardest to follow this pictorial, but I mean, it kind of leaves me hanging in between put this together and then apply it because it's like, how am I applying it? Like, am I dabbing it on? Am I dabbing it on? Am I spreading it on? Am I patting it in? Like, there's still more and I feel like I'm dripping. Okay. We've almost got it all. Almost got it all. Okay. Okay, so that is completely used up. So next step, we turn on the nano pen with the button on the bottom and then glide. Let me get a mirror a little bit closer. So you want to glide Oh, okay. And then you want to like stamp as well. But wow, this is neat. It doesn't hurt at all. But it like feels like something's happening, but it's like, you know when you get a tattoo and it doesn't hurt, but you can feel the needle, but it's in a place where it's like not painful at all. It kind of feels like that, like just a nice vibration on the skin. And I assume this can be used with like my own personal serums, not just these serums, but I don't see why not. But it seems like they really want you to soak your skin, like they give you a lot of serum to really push deep in there. I actually kind of like this. It feels really cool. I don't know how long you do this for. Is it timed? Will it just turn off? Or do you just do it till like all the serum's absorbed? It just says like glide and stamp. Glide and stamp. Well, the serum's almost completely absorbed. I'm just gonna keep going until I don't see like any shiny wetness on my face anymore. Okay, there's still a little wetness, but I'm turning it off because I'm starting to kind of feel it. And it doesn't say how long to go, but it does say to remove and throw away the nano chips. So you just unscrew it and toss it. These are one-time use only, so not super eco-friendly, but yeah, that's a really cool tool. Let's just take my fingers and smooth the leftover serum into the skin. Okay, so I am going to really quickly take some after videos and photos now that we've done that. Oh wow, like it's subtle. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like there is a difference. Like I can see like an improvement from before to after in these pictures and videos. I hope you guys can see the difference, but like my skin definitely looks a lot. Sorry, my camera overheated per usual. Anyway, I was saying like I can see a difference in my skin. While my camera was off, I did throw on a moisturizer really quick just because I'm a dry girl and I need that extra moisture even after a serum. So this is the Ski 2 RNA Power, but like even so, I will throw up my before and my after so you guys can see. I see a immediate difference. It immediately improved the look and feel of my skin. Yes, I think I went a little too hard. My skin is a little red and stings a little bit, but you know, it was my first time and I didn't know how long to go. So do I think this is a good tool to have in your skincare arsenal? Absolutely yes. I recommend this 100%. If you have the money and you want to buy a cool skincare tool, it actually works, and I will definitely continue to keep using this. If you don't have the money and you want to get the most out of your serums, I highly recommend just buying like a roller or a gua sha. It's not exactly the same thing, but those are a lot more affordable and accessible, and they do also help to massage the product into your skin a little bit deeper. So that's something to think about if this is a little bit out of your budget, but I really love it. I definitely recommend it. What do you guys think? How does my skin look now compared to before? I am so thankful that they sent me this product. Thank you again, Deminuage, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you've not already, and I will see you next time. Bye!